Ellipse tutorial. Ngayon po, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano hanapin yung center, foci, vertices, covertices, standard form, and general form of an ellipse. So, yung given natin dito is 4x plus 9y squared minus 16x plus 18y minus 11 equals 0. So, ang gagawin natin dito is pagsamahin lang yung may magkaparehas na sign, then i-compute na. Then, next step is, lalabas lang yung 4x squared 4 divided by 16 equals 4x. Then, kalahati ng 4 is negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. Ganon din yung gagawin sa kabila. Lalabas lang din yung 9. Open parenthesis. Y squared plus 9 divided by 18 is 2. Kalahati ng 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Equals 11. Then, 4 times 4 is 16. 9 times 1 is 9. I-add mo lang lahat. The answer is 36. Then, pa-finalize na natin. For yung square root ng 4 is negative 2 squared. Ganun din sa kabila, ilalabas lang yung 9. Y squared square root ng 1 is negative 1 positive 1 squared equals 36. Divide lang lahat sa 36 para makuha na natin yung standard form. So, open parenthesis, x negative 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 1. So, 9 divided by 36 is 4. 4 divided by 34 is 9. Yan na yung standard form natin. So, ngayon naman, kukunin naman natin yung center. Pag-iibahin lang yung sign, yung negative 2 magiging positive 2, then yung positive 1 magiging negative 1. Then, yung A naman yung kukunin natin. So, we all know that A is the largest number, so 9. Yung square root ng 9 is 3. Then, yung B naman. Yung B natin, yung B squared natin is 4. Then, yung B, square root ng 4 is 2. C naman. Kukunin natin. Yung formula ng C is C squared equals A squared minus B squared. So, 9 minus 4 equals 5. Square root ng 5, then square root ng 5 is the answer. Magpo-proceed na po tayo sa graphing. So, ang center natin is positive 2 and negative 1. Then, yung A natin is yung 3. So, mag-move lang po tayo left and right ng 3. Natin is gamma 5 negative 1. Then yung C natin is C away from the center. 1, 2. So, Yung x variable po yung mapapalitan. So, 0.236 comma negative 1. Dito din po sa kabila, move lang tayo ng 2.36. Diyan po. Then, label lang po natin sila. Then, yung b natin is 2. So, mag-move lang tayo ng up and down 2. Oops. Then, 1, 2. So, dyan po. Then, sa ilalim naman, 1, 2. Point. Then, kukonek lang po natin yung mga points gamit yung ballpen. So, 2, 1. Dito po, 2, comma negative 3. Then, i-connect lang natin yung mga points using a ball pen. Then that's it. That's how you make a ellipse by the given.